Hello friends, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast. And today we will have the Tesla Model S Plaid from Hotwheels 2024 quarter miles Heroes series. So I bought this at a price of 179, and this one is very beautiful. You can see. So let's unbox. And I used to keep my cards at a good condition, because after unboxing this I will again put this car in this packet so I can preserve it for my display. So if you want to know how I did this, I will make a separate video. So let's keep the card side, and here it is. Wow, very beautiful. So let's start from the front. So in front we can see Tesla logo is there. Wow, Tesla logo is there. Yes, we can see side indicators also, and headlight details is also there, which is I think it's not painted, it's sticker. Yes, it's sticker. And here is also details is looking very good. And let's move to the side. So from the side I can see side mirrors is there. Yes, looking glass is there. And paint job is not up to the mark. You cannot expect more than at a price of 179. Still lot of paint job issues is there. I can see fingerprints and paint bubbles. Anyways, so back of the car. Yes, back of the car I can see Tesla logo is there, and we can see tail lights also. So in tail lights also it is sticker I think, but still it is looking good. And we can see over here is a Hot Wheels logo, and number plate is also there. And back of the car we can see the spoiler over here. From the above, the body is painted in blue color, but here the roof is black, transparent black. And let's talk about the wheel rims. Wheels is very smooth as usual, and the rims is also good, looking very good in this black finish. Now let's look at the bottom of the car. So the bottom is made of plastic, and the entire body is made of metal. So at the bottom we can see Tesla Model S Plaid, and made in Malaysia and Hot Wheels logo is there. And this one is a EV car, so that's why you don't see exhaust details is not there, but overall the car is looking good. Let's do a roll test. Yes, it does roll very nice. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.